Yo guys, it's your boy, Danilo Everything here, and today we'll be playing Scobo.io. No one cares. Everybody cares about Roblox. Come on. Sorry, no webcam today. I wanted to do something. I don't have enough time to do it. Portal. My name is Danilo. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe, drop a like before you know the time. A mountain. Mountain. Sunlight. Sunlight. Arizona. No, I don't have enough time. Scribble doesn't get... Arizona. It's Arizona. Landscape. I was just guessing. Okay. How can you spell landscape? Shrek. One time, you had to guess a word, and I guessed it before they even drew it. It's a person. I'll guess it's... How do you spell it? Oh, angel. Angel. It was an angel. That was good. That was really good. That drawing was super good. Guys, you know, next Monday, there's going to be a video coming out DMing 120 celebrities. I did it today. Like, it'll be coming out next week. Because you have to give them a week to respond. I'll like it. He's spelling something. Men. Boy. Head. Hair. Yell. Scream. What the heck is that? I don't know what that is. Oh my god, I feel like this is stupid. E C Echo. E C O Echo. It's Echo. Ice. They don't know what it is? I C. They have to guess the next letter. I C. Well, I'll put it in the... Here, missing word. E. like it was. I see what what is it? If this video gets to 5 likes, I will do behind the scenes of what I do, like what I do after I'm done with a video. No, after what I. Oh, hot air balloon. So, like, I'm gonna do, if this video gets to 3 likes, I'll do a video of me, so, like, what do I do after I'm done shooting a video? Like, you guys get to see what I do. You get to see, like, only if this video hits 3 likes. You guys can hit that easily with no dislikes though. Cookie. Potato. It was a potato. Potato. I know it's a potato. Potato. I was like P. And I was like, how do you spell potato? Then I see a T. Then goes Poato. You guys get to see the behind the scenes of me editing, behind the scenes of me everything, doing a TikTok. Red. Stick. Mop. I got it. It's a mop. On board. So it's on board. Toothbrush. Oh my god. Sorry, I just got my phone wet. Alien, no. Torture from Piggy. Spider-Man. What the heck is this? Oh, gas mask. Got it. It's gas mask. Gas mask. I was like an S. I type in GAS, then gas mask. The video only been for 8 minutes. A wave pool. A cruise ship. Under the sea? And what the heck? This is so bad. Oh, I see. This video is not going to be edited. My fingers feel so weird. Cat. What the? Fish? It's a door. I gave it a dislike because it was so bad. Oh. A kite? Love? I don't know. I give up. I don't know. Okay, guys, this is the end of Fin. Tricycle. Put drawing. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. We out. Peace. Bye.